Hey everyone, Nora Spangler here with Berkshire Hathaway in Bend. Have you ever wanted to own a vacation home in Bend, Oregon? Maybe one that you could also rent out to earn some extra income from it? Well, stay tuned. We're going to be talking about a great new opportunity here in Bend. Hey everybody, thanks for coming back to join me today. Today we're talking about owning a vacation rental property in Bend. Now there's lots of different ways you can do this. There's plenty of opportunity down in Sun River. It's a resort community that you can always rent your home out there without any special permits or anything. In Bend, it's a little bit different. So if you prefer to be in Bend and you want to own a vacation rental, a lot of times you have to get a short-term rental permit. There are a few locations where that is not necessary, and so today I'm going to tell you about one of those, which is a new development called River Camp, and it is part of Mount Bachelor Village, which is at the south end of Bend, and it's really conveniently located if you are into winter sports or summer sports that would take you up toward Mount Bachelor, or for instance the Cascade Lakes are in that direction as well. And the south end of town also is really convenient to the Old Mill Shopping District, the Les Schwab Amphitheater where all the music takes place, and you can float the river, paddle the river. This location is just really great at the south end of town. So River Camp is happening in two phases. So phase one has been built already, and they came in two versions. A 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2-story, which is about 1,200 square feet, and there is a 1,000 square foot version, which is 2-bed, 2-bath, single level. And there is one of those left for sale right now, and it is listed at $472,900. They are going to build phase two, which they're starting to build now. And so I'm not sure the mix of what those will be, but there should be some single level and 2-story versions available in phase two. But there's only 20 cabins total, and 10 have been built already. 9 are sold. So there's one available now, and then there will be some more coming soon. So if you're interested, you can always contact me and I'd be happy to show you the cabins. They're really beautiful. I'm going to have some pictures up here in a minute for you to see. But the great thing about owning one of these is that it's already set up to be a vacation rental. So in other words, you don't have to get a special permit because Mount Bachelor Village is already kind of grandfathered in to a vacation rental system. So you can either add it to their inventory for rental, you can handle it yourself, you could have someone like Vacasa, or you could Airbnb it, or however you wanted to handle it if you wanted to rent out this home when your family isn't using it. So if you have any interest in them, please let me know. Reach out to me. All my contact information is down below. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, share them, like this video, and there will be more videos to come.